Welcome to Roastar's step-by-step guide to using our design templates. No matter your experience level, this video will show you how to use our templates to create stunning artwork for your packaging. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to locate and download the correct template for your project. Your template can be found in 3 places. In your Roastar project, after you've gotten a quote at the end, on our Templates and Guides page. Now that we've found the correct template, open your design application of choice. We recommend using Adobe Illustrator, so we'll be using that to demonstrate today. Next, we'll open the template. There are 2 ways to do this. The first one is to drag and drop the file from your computer into the application. The second way is to select Open from within the application. When using Illustrator, this can be found under the File menu in the top left. Once the template has been opened, you're ready to start designing. Now we'll review the different aspects of the template and their purpose. Take a look at the Layers panel on the side of the screen. You'll see different layers for various elements like the template itself, artwork, metallic or window effects depending on your chosen material, and any additional guides. Make sure the template layer stays locked to avoid accidentally placing your design on it. Your artwork should go on the Artwork layer. This ensures that everything stays organized and prints correctly. Other than layers, there are 3 other pieces to be aware of: safe areas, bleed, and trim lines. The template document size includes an extra 0.0625-inch bleed on all sides, which will be trimmed off during production. Keep key design elements like logos and text within the green safe area to avoid getting cut off during production. The trim line indicates where the final cut will happen within a margin of error of 0.0625 inches, so make sure your design extends past it to prevent any white edges. Colors can make or break your artwork, so it's essential to get them right. Ensure all colors are in CMYK format, which is the gold standard for print. Avoid using RGB or Pantone colors, as they won't convert well for print. Oh, and pro tip, if you want a true black color, use our recommended color values: 0% cyan, 0% magenta, 0% yellow, and 100% K, which stands for black. Make sure to follow the guidelines on the template where the zipper, valve, and tear notches may be placed. Once your design is print ready, make sure to outline your fonts and embed your images. Outlining fonts converts your live editable text into shapes, ensuring it appears correctly when printed. When our pre-press team opens your file for review, if your text hasn't been outlined, it may appear slightly different on their computers. To outline your fonts, begin by making sure all layers are unlocked. Then select All, click on Type, and select Create Outlines. Embedding images ensures all design elements remain intact, so there's nothing missing when it's time to print. To embed your images, go to the Links panel and select All Images. Then choose Embed Images from the drop-down menu at the top right corner of the panel. Once you've finished designing, take a moment to review everything. Zoom in to at least 100% and up to 200% to catch any tiny errors or misalignments, especially along the seam and edges. Ensure all elements are within the safe zones, and make sure your spelling is correct. If you're including features like QR codes or UPC codes, verify that they're placed correctly and that they link to the correct place. Once you're satisfied with your artwork, remember to delete the template layer and then save the file. We accept 2 file types: PDF and Adobe Illustrator files. We recommend saving your artwork as a PDF, since most applications are able to create and read this file type. Now head back to your Roastar project, upload your file, and submit it for review. After submission, our pre-press team will review your file and make sure everything is ready for printing. If any adjustments are needed, we'll let you know. Once approved, you'll be notified of a digital proof via email. We also offer free flat proofs on the material you've chosen, which are a great way to ensure that any metallic effects and windows appear as intended. Flat proofs also allow you to check that your colors are printing as desired. When you're happy with the proof, give us the green light and we'll start printing. There you have it. You've now successfully used Roastar's design templates to create stunning custom packaging. If you need any help, our team is just a phone call or chat away. Happy designing!